It's my baby Rika's birthday. And that's why we have a late dinner. And siya pa yung nagluto. Look, happy birthday to you. Ayan, sarap ng luto ni baby Ate Rika namin. Look, our dinner for tonight. Yes, thank you Rika. At may pa-surprise gift si baby Ate Isel at si Ate Kate kay baby Rika. Ayan, may flowers pa siya, oh. May pabulaklak pa si Ate Isel. Oh, diba? Ang sweet. Some of the pictures for baby Rika. Ayan, binigyan siya ng regalo. Ito yung mga pictures. And then, after the thank you sa inyo sa gift ni baby Ate Rika. Ayan, picture lang. Collecting of memories. At ayan, after at ngayon, birthday ni baby Ate Rika, we're going out.